Good day guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are down here at Loco Customs. Now we are about to get out and go reveal the 32 and see how it's turned out. So far guys, we've only seen it with bits and pieces on it. It's had a ton of dust on it and it's been in the shade a lot of the time. So even I haven't seen it in the light and I'm super keen to see it. I'm with a friend. Let's just keep it at that. And he's helping me out today with getting the 32. So we've just gone for a fun little road trip down the coast and we have all the winches and the tow straps and stuff. If you guys are not familiar with the vlogs and what's happening with the car, I grenaded my gearbox a couple of weeks ago. So we have no second and we have chunks and chunks of second gear floating around in the box that may potentially get stuck, who knows. So we may not get home yet, we're gonna find out. It's gonna be awesome. We are gumballing the car down the highway for an hour and a half on trade plates. You guys don't need to see what, oh crap, you can see what it is. Beep. Yes, so it's all legal, it is legit, it's legal. However, the car itself, it's going straight to a mechanic, so that's why it's legal. Let's just get out there and go check out the car. I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. Alright guys, I've just seen the car. I'm super excited. So cool. The guys are just doing the final detail on it now. So what they do is once they've painted it, most of the times cars get a cut and polish just so if the clear coat has any runs or there's any imperfections or dust or overspray in the paint, it can be all cleared out and corrected. However, we have some vlogs coming up soon that I will be visiting in detail and we're going to go over all this in detail for those vlogs, so I'll save that for now. But the guys at the moment are just doing a quick buff on it, getting it nice and clean, and just cleaning out all the dust and stuff from it sitting around in the shop for the last couple of weeks. So we're just going to do a quick walk around. Now, if you guys can hear, there's a lot of music in the background, so I'm going to put B-roll to this. I apologise for putting overlaid music, but I can't have that music on here. So yeah, check out the car and check out the progress. So the guys are finishing detailing the car and giving it a bath. Meanwhile, we are going to get out of their hair, go grab some food, and probably cause a ruckus. What the hell? I did not notice you have like this scary ass mother person thing on the back. Gary. Gary? His name's Gary? Yeah. It's like it's plastic. I was like, is it like the flimsy plastic or like porcelain? That's great. This is not the weirdest shit I've ever done, but I'm amazed I actually got that. I thought it was going to go over there. Don't hit the hard kids. No radiant thought, hot water. You spin, Brad. Spin. Jump back. Like it? Do you reckon the guys will like it? Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. I don't have to slide my car anymore. Thank you. Wow, looks pretty. Hi, how are you? Good, mate.
Looks good.
Yeah. Let's go for it. Yeah. Check out the color, guys. Look at it now. This is the same R32 that you guys saw. Getting absolutely hammered, smashed into. I'm not gonna say trash because I wasn't trying to trash it. I was just driving it pretty hard. And holy crap, guys. Holy freaking crap. It is so pretty now. I can't believe it's the same car. It's nuts. It's like a grey, black, blue with a bit of purple. And a ton of flake. Alright guys, we are going to make a gumball straight up the coast, get the car back to Endgame Workshop and go from there. Hopefully get the wheels and tyres and sort that out. But I can't believe I'm gumballing this. Like, I say gumballing, okay, yes, it's a stock 20, blah blah blah. It just looks insane compared to what it was, and I've driven this car for the last 2 years on nothing but a track, like never been on the street before, so it's just kind of, I don't know, it feels a little illegal. It's not, but it just feels that way. Look, I'm so happy with it. It looks so goddamn good. And it's stock height for now, so the next immediate requirements: wheels, new tires, lower. Yes. Alright, I am super keen. I'm gonna get out of here. Catch you guys in a sec. I told you guys this before, I don't know if you can hear it, but can you hear my gearbox? That's what it should sound like. This is second. Ready? Foot off clutch. That's second. There is nothing there anymore. It is gone to the Netherlands of the drift world. Alright, we're gonna go. Oh god, it's making all the kinds of weird noises. This is so cool. I'm driving my truck car on the street. Oh. Do I have a speed my god, I have a speedo. I've never noticed I actually have a working speedo. Sick. Yoo! 32, you are gonna have a street life very, very soon. It is so freaking crazy how well this drives. Like, it doesn't immediately pull. The wheel alignment is really good. And I'm running so much camber and it's all by eye. Like, none of this is professionally done or gone to a tire shop. This is just an eye alignment. And yeah, it's actually really driving really, really well for something with a dead box. The bounciest coilovers you've ever seen in your entire life. Super, super, super excited. My coilovers are so dead. Anyway, I'm having a glorious drive home, so I'm gonna run and we'll see where we go from here. I'm so happy with it. Look at it, it's pretty. Apologies guys, I've just missed like roughly the last 4 hours of vlogging. I was racing around like a madman, getting some parts in the car, getting the 32 home, which it got home safe and sound. The box made it, the car made it, nothing went wrong. It was amazing. My box didn't further grenade itself and come through and shear my leg off or anything, so that was awesome. Excellent. I got out to the James Street crew meet tonight and I was hosting it, so I had to organize all that and run that, so I did not have any time to actually vlog the meet. So many cool cars rocked up and it was a freaking awesome night. As you guys can tell, I'm in my Hanya race suit, which has all my cool patterns and stuff on it, so it's a one-piece kind of race suit thing. It was such cool. I even got my marks, check this out. Haha. Yeah. So yeah, it's porcelain, so it's really heavy. I kept on forgetting I had it on and I had it around my neck and I was hugging people and then I was stabbing them with the nose but then choking myself out with the with the honey mask. Anyway, I'm sorry, tangent. It was an awesome night. I apologize I didn't film it for you guys. However, the meets are getting bigger and bigger every week, so I'll be sure to film next week because I'll be a lot more organized and I won't be rushing around like a madman trying to pick up a car from 2 hours away. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys are just as stoked to see the 32 as I was today, and finally the color reveal. It's clean and it looks sick. Tomorrow I'm going down to Endgame. I've just ordered new tires. I'm going to take the wheels down. I'm going to swap over the Speccos that are currently on it, which you guys saw in the video earlier, and I'm going to put on the new Desmond Y Sports. They're white and they got the chrome dish. I think I've shown you guys. Either way, they're very rare wheels, very cool wheels, and I'm hoping the offsets are going to work with the 32 GDR wide body kit that is now on the car, as well as try to clean up the interior trim. What else? Something else, gearbox. I inevitably have to do the gearbox. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details. It's going to happen, and then we are going to do a ton of driving, like a ton of driving. I cannot wait. I'm going to have like a street car again, like an actual rear-wheel drive straight up. I am super psyched. Like, I'm sorry, I'm really psyched. Come on, I've been driving around a K car for like the last 3-4 months, and a 33 that was open diff, didn't like to skid at all. It's pretty. It is so pretty. I can't wait to show you guys again. I'm sorry, I'm gonna shut up now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Keep an eye on the channel, the update with the skate deck giveaway. So the LOKISX skateboard that you guys have seen, you can either get it in the retro grey or in the old school Datsun style white with the Datsun-ish looking LOKISX logo, which is my classic logo. So you guys get to pick what one you want and whether you want the grey one or the white one, and I'll draw the giveaway very soon and let you guys know who has won the skate deck. Now with the skate deck, I'm sorry, I'll let you guys go. I apologize. I just want to make it very clear. I will pull the name out of a hat. So anyone that has commented on any of the videos in the last 6 to 8 months, pretty much since I started, as long as you have liked a video, subscribed and commented, the comments are where I'm going to find your username. So I will pull everyone's username off the comments. So if you have not commented, quick, get in, comment. This is your chance. This is your only chance. I'll pull your name out of the comments, draw it, and whoever wins, I'll let you guys know on here. I'm not going to contact you via email because obviously I don't have your guys' emails or your Instas or personal details. So keep an eye on the vlog because you'll need to watch the vlog to find out who wins. And then that person, please message me either on Instagram, Facebook, even, I don't think we can message on YouTube, but just message me on a social media under loki.kuroi or LOKISX, whatever you guys like, you can find me. I'm very, very easy to find. So if you win the deck and that is your username, let me know and I will sort out sending you that skate deck. So I won't keep you guys any longer. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hugely appreciate it and I'm stoked to have you guys on this journey, and it's just going to get even bigger and better from here. And I can't even get my words out right now. So much. I'm gonna go this time. I honestly swear, I'm going this time. I'm going! See you guys.